let's make some panels. Now what you're seeing right now is 20 of the 1x4 by 96, and that's 1 inch by 4 inch by 8 feet. It's actually 0.75, 3/4 inch and 3.5 by 8 feet, FYI. We'll take all of this, cut it up, and turn them into the frames for our panels. And that's how we get 24 6.5s, 36 15 inchers, and 24 47 inchers. And now let's put it together. First, drill a pilot hole, and then the screw goes in. And then when you put it all together, it looks like this. Next thing is to put the rock wool in and then wrap it. Now in this iteration, this version of the box, I'm using a liner. In the later iterations, I'm just going to take the fabric and wrap it all around. Then the rock wool is placed inside the box, and then piece of cloth to cover the top. Put a staple right here, right there, and on the other side as well. And when we flip it over, it looks like this. And simply it's a matter of taking the fabric and stapling it into the back. And when it's all said and done, it's not very pretty, of course. But back here is mostly going to be facing the wall and we'll never see it. You can see it's all tied up already. And over here it's a simple loop to however high you want the mounting. And what you get is a fully functional panel. There you go. Nice and clean looking.